If those of you have seen our last video, we solved our sloping floor issue that we had here. That's all been corrected. Now my wife wants to introduce a faux brick concept to the floor. The kids are going to be joining me mid-project. Let's go. I'm going to put on the proper knee pads because I want my knees 15 years later. Okay guys, so first things first, I have some floor construction adhesive. I'm going to apply this down before I put down my cement board.
Hi guys.
Hey, what's up? How you doing? Now look at here. Interruption number one. So what are you doing today? Are you in mom's stuff?
No, this is mine.
Oh, you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You're looking very pretty today.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Looking pretty. Oh, there he is right there. Here's the basketball champion. All right, she wants a hug. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I'll see y'all later. All right. This is gonna be my first board. I'm gonna put this right down. All right. That should do it. Tighten the corner as possible. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. I have my neck sheet right here. So my corners, I want to make sure that my corners are really tight. All right, so there we go. And then this is 50% off, so we get a little chip on the other side, but it's all right. We're doing brick right over this. I'm gonna use a thin set mortar to go over this, so it won't matter. All right, so now that I've got my cement board down, I'm gonna start tacking it in with cement board screws. I'm gonna nail it in about 6 inches of spacing apart.
Can I help you?
You wanna help? Mm-hmm. Here, do it here, come here. So what you're gonna do is you're going to go like this. Put the screw in, that's it. I chose to go with a 1/4 inch cement board, and by doing that, I don't have too much of a off the floor reveal coming when I go by the door. So there's not too much of a difference between the height of the floor won't rise too much. Hey, boo boo.
Okay.
Hi, come on, you wanna come over?
Yeah.
You say hello. You say hello to everybody. What are you doing?
I wanted to help you.
You wanted to help me too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
All right. Get this magic marker. I'm gonna put you to work. See this mark? Okay. So work with Julie. Come over here. Sit over with Julie. Okay. See these circles? You gotta color them like that. Okay. You want to color them like that? See the circles?
Yeah.
Okay.
Color here.
Yeah. Color the circles. Okay.
You and me so clueless. We were just broken.
I do it.
Doing it.
Yeah.
All right. Doing it.
Are you busted yet?
We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking and we were in too deep.
Okay guys, I finished half the floor. Check it out. So I got all my cement board screws in 6 inches apart, and I'm gonna put my stuff on this side and start laying down my cement board the same way. Wow. Man, you gotta love this view. install faux brick to this floor. My wife had an amazing concept. We went with it. I think it's gonna look really nice. Check it out. I'm gonna show you what we got going on here for a pattern.
So right here on this beautiful corner, we have the herringbone pattern, which I absolutely love. Guys, I'm a little bit nervous for the maintenance, honestly, but I love it so much that I am willing. And I'm also really thinking, babe, well, you guys too, because although this is our front entrance, we don't really come in through here. And I'll be lying if I said we did. We probably come here just for mail. True or not true, babe?
True.
So hopefully, it won't get as, the maintenance won't be so bad, the keep up.
So what are we gonna do for prep work? Talk about that.
For prep work, we're gonna clean up the area, and then I'm gonna leave, go take a shower, and Greg's gonna do all the work.
Let me talk about the prep work, okay? First of all, what we know, this brick is going to see time, weather, ice, snow, different things coming up against it. So we want to try to seal it. And we're trying to look for a good seal that's not going to change the color of the brick, but still protect it.
Correct.
So my wife is in charge of that. She found a product that's going to work. I don't know the name of it yet. My job is just to install.
Let me ask you, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling pretty good. I'm just getting started. So this is what my pattern is. Herringbone is the concept, as we talked about. I'm gonna start in the corner, get my pattern laid out. I see the way it's gonna look. It's gonna look really nice. I'm going with 3/8 inch spacers, which I have right here. I'm gonna use that. And I have a 1/4 inch trowel on both sides, see?
So can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Have you ever worked with thin brick before?
Never did.
I love this. So you guys know that if we can do it,
You can do it.
all it takes is Google.
No, no excuses. Okay guys, I got halfway down with my first row. If you don't have a laser, get one. It'll make your life a whole lot easier. I got myself, I think it was the Bosch. Oh, actually, I got the box right here. I picked myself a self-leveling cross-line laser, Bosch. It's up to 30 feet. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. Gets the job done. Hey guys, it's day 2.
No, it's second night, because he's working all the time at night.
We're getting it done. Check the herringbone pattern.
Yeah, baby, I love it.
Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So it took 24 hours to dry. The thin set motor has finally dried up. So we're ready to keep on and continue this pattern, keep on going. I'm gonna install my cement board tape and cover my seams up, and we're gonna keep on moving.
Yeah. And he had to stop. He's not being honest. He had to stop because he didn't buy enough of those. What are those things called?
Oh my God, yes. Okay, so I did not buy enough tile spacers, so we're robbing from the first row to get to the 5th row, but it's working out pretty good. It's okay. So we're trying to, hopefully we have enough bricks. We might have to order another 3 boxes.
Yeah.
I think that's the way. Where's she at? There she is right there.
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
Yeah, I think we may have to order another 3 or 4 boxes. But it's good for me. It's good for us. It's local here in Connecticut, so.
And we didn't pay that much money for these, so honestly, it's okay.
It was only $100 bucks. $100, right?
90.
$90. Can't beat,
$90 for 6 boxes.
can't beat that, right? So we're gonna keep on moving. Hey, how you doing? How you doing tonight? Oh, she wants to give me a hug? Isn't this sweet?
Go to sleep.
Mo, I don't go to sleep. You go to sleep, not me.
No, I don't have school tomorrow.
You don't have school tomorrow. Well, so you want to work with me?
I'm gonna put on my sneakers.
Okay, I have Julie. She's gonna be placing the last brick in for me. She's gonna show me how it's done. You got it, girl. You got it. All right, right down in there. No, the back has to go way to the back. Keep on going way back. Right there. Yep. Perfect. Grab your spacer, put it in there. Make sure you press it all the way in, like this. Like this. Push it in, like that. There you go. Good. Now get the other one. Put one right here.
Will I put it right here?
Yep. Just put it right in place. Okay. Now, does that look even to you? So you're even right here. See along with this. Is that even? Everything looks pretty good. Did a good job, Julie. We're done. I'm cleaning up. Come on, let's go get some popcorn.
Popcorn?
Let's go. Ready? Did a good job today. Fist bump. Woo! All right. We got the job halfway done.
Well, I don't know if that's halfway done.
It's halfway. It's about halfway there.
Okay, yeah.
We ran out of material.
I know, we didn't expect that to happen, but it's okay. We got a good deal on these, and
Yes.
we're hoping that when we do find more bricks, it doesn't blow the bank.
Which we will. Monday or Tuesday, we got a rep that's dealing with us. We'll find them. We'll find them.
So cross your fingers for us, or say a little prayer that we get the bricks. But while we wait, we'll work on something else. So stay tuned for next week to see what we work on next.
We're gonna get these floors done.
Jeez, you're that confident we're gonna get the floors
We're
done?
gonna get these floors. Another bet? Whoa! We're gonna find these bricks, baby.
By next week, if we do not have the bricks, you owe me that another massage.
You owe me 2 massages.
Which, wait a minute, guys, he still